Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, February 23rd. Looking at the weather matrix, we are continuing to see rapid snow melt across a good portion of the Northern Rockies over the next 24 to 48 hours. Then we'll see another system coming in, causing snow levels to drop, so we could see some decent snow accumulations. That snow in the mountains could linger into Tuesday across northwest Montana. And then we have a pretty strong ridge of high pressure building in for the latter part of the week into the weekend, causing potential for some freezing fog on Thursday morning. Again, the main consideration, main focus of this briefing will be the snow melt, which is the rain on snow plus the warm up plus nighttime cloud cover equaling multiple days of thawing. So we are concerned about some ponding on roadways, low-lying areas, some localized urban flooding. Another concern will be ice on small creeks breaking up and causing ice jams, which could cause some localized flooding. And then come that Monday night into Tuesday, when we got that next system coming in, we could see some roadways start to refreeze during the overnight time frame, just due to temperatures dropping below freezing or the subsurface temperatures being fairly cold. So far, 24-hour rainfall ending at Sunday at 11 a.m. So far across northwest Montana, we've had pretty good widespread half an inch to an inch and a half across the mountainous terrains. The broad valleys of northwest Montana have seen significantly less, from 100th to maybe up to a tenth of an inch. But again, the rest of the area got a good amount. And then the same kind of be saying for north central Idaho and southwest Montana and Lemhi County, where Clearwater County definitely is kind of the winner, with Oro-Fino picking up like 3/10 of an inch to an inch and a half. And then like the Broad Valley, maybe up to a quarter of an inch, but definitely just a couple of hundredths here and there. Moving forward, we are still continuing to see those temperatures remain above freezing for the majority of the areas, especially in the valleys, Sunday into Monday timeframe. And then that cold front comes through on Tuesday, causing temperatures to cool slightly, but we are still going to be warm during the daytime hours. And then we'll see that ridge of high pressure building back in, which will keep our temperatures warm during the daytime, but the nighttime we are looking at temperatures dropping fairly close to the freezing mark. Snow levels, as can be expected, are high right now, will continue to be, and then with that cold front come on the Monday night to Tuesday, we'll see snow levels drop down to about 3,200 feet, maybe even 3,000 feet by the Wednesday morning time frame, allowing snow to get a little bit farther down into the valleys. Another concern is going to be the winds across the area. We are seeing quite a bit of gusty wind out of the west-southwest direction, gusting across up to about 40 miles per hour across a good chunk of the area, especially along the Continental Divide and down into Lemhi County and southwest Montana. Those winds will continue into the Tuesday timeframe and then start weakening as that ridge comes in, except for right along the Continental Divide. So what are we expecting for rainfall amounts? So this is going to be the 48-hour forecasted total ending at Tuesday at 5 p.m. So we are actually probably going to see a couple of waves of precipitation come in. Right now, Sunday afternoon, we are looking at some showers around, and then another big plume of moisture is going to come in Sunday night into Monday morning, and then there could be a little bit of a break, and then that third wave is going to come in Monday night into Tuesday morning. So two more waves of big or significant amount of moisture going to be moving through the area. Snowfall totals, at least for Sunday night through Monday timeframe, snow is going to be really confined to the highest terrain, and the mountain passes could see an inch or up maybe up to 4 inches around Marias Pass, but be fairly limited to the very highest terrain. But then come that Monday night to Tuesday with those snow levels falling, we could actually see a little bit more impactful snow with an additional maybe 6 to 8 inches at like Lolo Pass or maybe along the Highway 12 corridor, and then over Lookout and Marias Pass is an area of concern, and then to a lesser extent Lost Trail, Homestake, and McDonald passes during this time frame. And again, this is Monday night and Tuesday time frame when those snow levels start dropping. So again, the key message is right now we have a flood watch out for the majority of the Northern Rockies, where we're anticipating getting the bulk of the rain plus all that snow melt. We are watching things pretty closely, so if we're hearing of anything occurring, a flood warning could be issued. But right now we're still just in a flood watch. Another thing that's kind of hard for us to monitor is those small creeks that have lots of ice. If those break up and cause an ice jam, we could see some localized flooding with that, so just be prepared. As for the main stem rivers, we're not anticipating them to reach flood stage, but they are going to see a significant increase. Some of the more responsive rivers I have posted here is the Fisher Creek across northwest Montana, where they're going to get the most precipitation. We'll probably see the heights on those rivers double in time, and then the Clearwater River near Orofino will also see a significant rise over the next couple of days. Looking out in the 6 to 10 day, definitely that ridge of high pressure, so temperatures are going to be warming up. But the 8 to 14 day, it looks like by the end of the weekend or into the weekend, we could get another system trying to make its way. And that's kind of fairly evident in the 6 to 10 day. Maybe some light showers lingering in the 6 to 10 day, but really not anticipating too much, but that 8 to 14 day kind of picking up with the weekend system. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen. If not, the next briefing will be Thursday, February 27th.